Go package. Alright guys, so yesterday we had 2 sales on Go. So these Air Jordan 1 baseball cleats right here. We're gonna package these up first. We bought them for $39.99 at Burlington. I know people have been getting them for like 20 bucks at the Burlington. And I'm like, man, what? How's that even possible? I don't know. I found these couple months ago. These were basically just sitting on a Burlington shelf, the very last shelf. I don't know if someone was hiding them. They were both a size half, like one was a 10, this is a 9.5, so I don't know what they were doing in the same place. Burlington employee didn't care to put them in the right section. I mean, cleats usually don't fit in shoe boxes, but these look smaller. No, they're not gonna fit. We're gonna make a brand new one. So we're gonna get our preset here. $10.97 box. Sorry, I've been saying $10.93 this whole time, but it's whatever. $10.97 box. I did pay double for these. That's what I'm basically saying. But like I said, it's all good. We're still making good profit on these. And you know, although it would have been nice to pay that $20, we held them for a couple of months because yeah, people were finding them at $20 and they're selling them for like $80. I think as low as as low as 80 on Goat. And I was like, man, I bought these for $40. So these people are pricing it that cheap because they can. They're gonna make their money back. Plus, and since I paid $40 for them, it's not gonna be the same. We ended up selling both pairs, and we both were $100. So we made the same profit on both. We're gonna get 3 pieces of bubble wrap. This is just about done right here. Oh, yep. That was it. We might save this for, I don't know, putting it in a package that has extra space. Yeah. It fits pretty good in our box. Oh, wait, hold up. Caught myself, alright? Caught myself lacking, not gonna lie. I don't know if these need to put and if I need to put a goat slip in here, so we're gonna go print the label out real quick. Yes, sir, let's get that Rolo action. Oops, I thought it was only one slip, but yeah, gonna put this slip in here. Rolo. Yes, sir. Now we're gonna go get our other shoes. Oh, pulled out the right one. These are the 8.5. We sold these elite cleats. As you guys can see, we paid $30 for these at Burlington, and we sold them on Go for $170. So that's really good. I'll break down the numbers at the end, you guys. But those sold for $100. These sold for $170 yesterday. Bubble wrap. Get our shoe box. Good thing these are small size, because if they were any bigger, I'd have to put them in the other box and make a modified box. It's all good. Gonna get some paper in here. Gonna get this goat slip. Put it in here. Close it up. About to run out of tape too, dang. And that's gonna be it for this packaging video. Let me just show you guys the numbers real quick. So we made $115.05 off these cleats.
The next day.
So yesterday we sold some Janowski golf shoes, spikeless golf shoes, for $100, I believe, on Macari, size 13. These are pretty nice, not gonna lie, they're pretty cool. I picked these up at Burlington for 25 bucks. So yeah, these are kind of insane. So we sold these for $110. So we're gonna get our box here. And yeah, these have been at Burlington, like I picked those up like 3 weeks ago, and they sold, so it's really good. I will definitely be on the lookout for these if you guys find them too. Make sure to look them up. They have good comps and stuff. Cause I picked up some other colorways, like some gray ones, as well as some black ones. These and some gray ones that I picked up, they were suede, are the best probably. So we're gonna stick these in here. Get our thank you note. Appreciate the business, Jordan from Florida. These should be getting to you pretty quick. Not that they're watching the video, but you know, still. So now we're gonna weigh these. 4 pounds at the most. 3 pounds. That's great because we're gonna pay less for shipping. Now we're gonna get the shipping label, and I'll tell you guys the numbers on these shoes. So it's gonna cost $8.72 to ship these. Let's get this Rollo action, baby. Yes, sir. Yeah, so after breaking down the numbers, we made $59.79 off these pairs of shoes. So that's really good return on investment because we paid $27 for these. That's with tax included.
The next day.
Alright, you guys, yesterday we sold some Adidas tennis shoes I picked up at Ross. So we got the size 10.5. We sold these for $100, and we bought these for $35 at Ross. These are these feel like some really good quality tennis shoes. I play tennis, and usually I play for the high school team, and we get some pretty cheap shoes, and you know, like, you could feel it. I mean, they weren't cheap, they were good for the season. They lasted around a year, and but these feel like, you know, something else. So you can really tell when a shoe is high end. You know, I saw them at Ross. I was like, I've never seen these shoes, and I saw they were Ubersonic, and you know, I recognized it's a tennis shoe. So because I played tennis before and all that, it's easy to identify a shoe. So yeah, that's why I picked these up. And also I looked them up, and they seem to do pretty good. They were selling for around $80, and these sold for $100, size 10.5, and I have an 11, so I had really good sizes too. So let's get these packed up. Appreciate the purchase, Daniel. No, you're probably not watching this, but still, thank you. Gonna get our 2 pieces of, oh, that was 1. Where does this end? But yeah, we're gonna wrap these. First, let's make sure they're the right size. Yo, what? No way. See, these weren't even the right size. Oh my god. We had the wrong shoe, boys. Close one, man. Close one. Holy crap. This is why I always check, because I've done this mistake once, and you know, I'm not gonna get caught lacking again. YouTube, you saw this, okay? You saw this. That is crazy. Woo! Dodged the bullet. I mean, not really. I would have probably sent him the shoes back, but anyway, dodged a lot of problems here. Was that even necessary? I don't think the paper was necessary, but oh well. 3 pounds, so get the shipping done. Shipping is gonna cost $9.36, and no fees on that bad boy, so that's great. Woo! This is why eBay is one of the best platforms, and I'm glad I get the most business on here. So I made $52.84 on these shoes, and that's insane. Really great. Just goes to show how much fees take away from profit. I mean, you know, not to complain on the fees, we are using eBay or like Poshmark, or you know, we're using those platforms to sell, and they have a right to take that fee. But it just goes to show how, you know, how much fees go into play in, you know, business and your profit margins. Get that Rollo action, baby. Yes, sir.
The next day.
So yesterday we sold these blazers that I picked up at Ross. Surprisingly, I picked up these blazers when there was another reseller in the store. My man Antonio. Met him. He's a really cool dude. You should follow him on Instagram if you guys like. He posts some stuff. He posts finds and some of his sales sometimes. So yeah, I'll put its Instagram somewhere. But I sold these for $95. Not making a lot of profit, although I would have liked to have sold them on eBay for like $100 plus and get the no fees, but that doesn't always happen. So I ended up, he sent me an offer for 90. I ended up countering with 95, although I was contemplating on accepting the 90, but I just sent the 95 because, you know, why not? And she accepted today. This was last night. So yeah, we're about to package this up real quick, get this beautiful Rolo action going. Bruh. So we made $32.80 off these shoes, which is pretty good for only having them for around 2 days. If you guys are enjoying this type of content, please subscribe and like and comment. Really helps out the channel, and you know, I appreciate you guys for it. Gonna get our bubble right here. Hopefully it fits. Always these high top, and watch, they're not even gonna fit in the shoe box. I don't know why I didn't already guess this, but we'll see. How's your guys' day going today? Go ahead and comment down below. Mine is okay. I just woke up and I gotta, you know, fulfill this shoe order, and yeah, it doesn't fit, so it's all good. We just gotta make another modified box here, 1097 box. If and when you guys are cutting and it ends up like this, you're gonna want to put some tape over it just in case it breaks or anything happens to it during transit. Just a precaution. I like to do that. These should fit. Perfect. Perfect fit. So now we're gonna close it up. I'm gonna tear up a small piece of paper here because this gap seems to be a little big, and I don't want anybody to be looking at what's inside of this box. It may not be necessary at all, but like I said, it's good to take precautions with most packages that you ship. And there we go. $32.80 right here. Sold these Nike dry fit tennis shorts, large, retail 70. We picked these up at Burlington for $18.36 plus tax. So we sold them for $60. These are going to Hawaii. I mean, I don't know how shipping doesn't cost that much. I've shipped shoes to Hawaii. This costs $15 to ship. Hopefully these I can send in a padded flat rate envelope or in a poly bag. It'll make it a little less expensive to ship. So yeah, these are pretty cool. they look okay. They're kind of ugly, not gonna lie, but these feel like really high quality tennis shorts. As you guys know, I play tennis, so every time I see some tennis stuff, you know, that's cheap, I end up picking it up most times because, you know, it's honestly worth it. Like Nike court items are pretty expensive, not gonna lie. As you guys can see with these shorts, the retail on them is kind of insane. $70 for some shorts, you know what I mean? They end up at Burlington and these other spots, so I'm not complaining, but I'm gonna break down the numbers real quick. But we're gonna put this in a poly bag. Hold on, let me see how much it weighs first. Hopefully this goes in first class. So we're gonna get our poly bag here, 7 ounces in total. Yeah, so it's gonna be cheaper to ship these in a padded flat rate envelope, so we're just gonna do that. Get our envelope here, and it's gonna cost $7.78 to ship these to Hawaii. I'm gonna get this Rolo action real quick. Yes sir. So I'm gonna put the shipping label on here real quick. So we made $25.80 off this sale, which is great. So if you guys enjoyed this video, you know, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, Graham Stephan style. And thanks for watching to the very end, and I'll see you in my next video.